everyone, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to the family. My name is V, and today I'm gonna be trying some aesthetic, trendy Pinterest hairstyles so you don't have to. Not gonna lie, but I kind of sounded like a telemarketing commercial there. Like, do you want to spice things up? Are you bored from your normal life? Do you want to try something new? Try our new product for $5.999 only. Bold of you to think I have that much money in my bank account, but subscribe, it's free.
Smoothie F.
Well, without further ado, let's get straight into the video, shall we?
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
I'm in love.
So now I'm gonna start by styling my hair. As you can see, this is my natural hair, which is not the most flattering thing in the world. So I'm gonna start by curling them, and I will curl them with the help of a straightener. Why a straightener, you may ask? Well, good question. Because my hairs are neither curly nor perfect straight, so I have to straighten them first and then curl them. You know what I mean? I think I'll have to show it to you rather than explaining how I do it. So while the iron is heating, I am going to part my hair. It's entangled. So I like barely straight my hair. I like curls more because I don't know why. Straight hair just makes my hair look so flat, and also I don't like wash my hair every single day, so it just makes it more oily, which I am not a big fan of. Okay, well, I'll start off by taking sections like these, and then I'll show you how I curl it, like step by step. One thing that you have to remember is you should always curl your hair away from your face. That's what I like to do. I just kind of straighten it from the top and then just like rotate away from the face and just like pull it down. See? Easy. And when you like pull it down, it makes your curl look more loose. I'll show you what happens if you don't like pull it down. It will make a much tighter curl, and I don't like that. I like these loose ones better. So this is when you don't pull. You see how it looks? I don't like these ones. You can clearly see the difference. This one is like much tighter than this one. This is like a loose, and when you open these up, it looks more like beachy waves, and this one's just, I don't know, it's just terrible.
I'm in love with. Answers are you, you're so small. Lips meet mine. You're so small. Lips meet mine.
So when I reach like at the top of my head, I just like to divide my hair into half because I like part my hair from the middle. You can do any side you want, and then I like pull all my hairs back. And I'm gonna tie these hairs up. So now I'm gonna start curling the hairs from the back because, as you may not know, I have bangs and I like to style them at the end after I have curled all my hairs and everything's done. So I'm gonna do that. said, I'm gonna style my bangs at the end. I'm still gonna leave this huge strand of hair just hanging, and I will start curling the side of my hair. So now we are at the front of my hairs, and I'll show you what I do with my bangs. So I'm gonna take, they're not too much hair because I cut my bangs by myself. I cut my hair by myself, and if you want to see that video, make sure you click on that eye in the corner. And what I do is I'm just gonna curl them or straighten them like that. And once they're done, I kind of curl these sections. So same, you're gonna curl them in the opposite direction of your face, like so, and same on this side. I'm just going to like run my fingers through my hair so they are not like these tight curls. And I don't like to keep my bangs in the front anymore because, to be honest, they've had their moment and I am kind of over this style. This is how my hair looks after. Starting off with the first hairstyle, which is front braids. And when I tell you that this is all over Pinterest and TikTok, you have to trust me on that one because it literally is. So I really wanted to try it and see how it will look on my hair. For this hairstyle, I'm just gonna leave my bangs. I don't want pieces coming out of my braid. I'm going to start from here, and then I'm just gonna braid it as normal.
I'm in love with chances are you.
I don't actually have the tiny hair ties, so I'm just going to use a bobby pin and secure the back of my ears. And then I'm just going to pull so it looks much more fuller. And I am going to do the exact same thing on this side. Ooh, this is the finished product. It kind of looks like a braided headband, but I really love it. It gives me the whole like the cottagecore aesthetic, which I'm really into. Also, it's like a little twist rather than keeping your hair like just open. The second hairstyle is a bit similar than the first one, but it has a tiny little variation. We're gonna use these little hair clips. So we're gonna use these tiny hair clips, and I'm just gonna braid my hair as I did in the first one. When you reach the end, what you have to do is just use these clips, and then you're just gonna and this is the hairstyle. It is so super cute. Also, it adds like a pop of color in your hair, which I really love. I can totally see this hairstyle paired up with like more of a Y2K outfit, and it would actually look good. the next hairstyle is also super easy. What you need to do is take small sections of your hair and then you're gonna just twist it and clip it. This hairstyle is so cute. And it is so simple. Like, I can totally see myself wearing this. Like, every single day. Seriously. And the fun fact is, this is so easy. I really love all these Pinterest hairstyles because one, they are so easy. You don't have to put a lot of time in it. You don't need to do like a whole math to do the hairstyles. Even if you don't know anything about hairstyles, you are able to do any one of these. Moving on.
I also wore this hairstyle later that day.
The next hairstyle is literally breaking the internet. Like literally. It is all over my Pinterest. Like it was also okay. So today when I woke up, I opened my Pinterest and the first pin post. I don't even know what that's called. Post. The first post on my Pinterest was this hairstyle. You'll just need a claw clip. By now you would have already guessed what hairstyle it is, but I'm still gonna try it. For this, you just have to grab all your hairs, and I'm gonna like pull out the front pieces so it can like frame my face. Like so, and then just like grab all your hairs, twist it, and just clip it, and that is it. That's your hairstyle. I am really in love with the claw clip trend because it is so effortless and yet it looks so classy. Like completes your look without even doing like a complex hairstyle. Like you look so much more put together with just one clip, and that's it. So the last hairstyle that I'm gonna show you is like my go-to. Like if you don't know what you want to do with your hair, but you also don't want to leave it open, but you also want kind of open, you know what I mean? What I do is just take half of my hairs and then clip it. There you go, your super easy, professional, formal, it casual, suits any event, and also looks good. So I hope you really enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. I will have my Instagram somewhere here or also on my screen and in the description box. Make sure you're also sharing this video so more people can know these easy and trendy hairstyles from Pinterest. I should really just go at this point. I cannot speak. But you know what you gotta do. And I'll be back with the next video. Bye.
I'm in love with